Today our topic ray diagram of concave mirror when object is kept at C. Omno sung khaidi tini sini time krini bagai time ni shortage ni karone apro 60 ta salai tongkha amni karone sung kam ke srunglai madia plus proper pencil compass te skill krini bagai je ray diagram khaidi ni students only mistake bongkha ta mistake no sung body ke rectify khine amno sung 9 alien no sung pulia sung bujinai zorino object no siwo zorin ton hakai o picture no nukna omsini object a b c ni object omno sung exactly siwo ton khatak sita mam to sung saimano sino sung center of curvature ni no te om khai sini spherical mirror sini spherical mirror fan bo spherical mirror mo sini concave mirror ni o c te o point no kasung p eba pole ni no te c by p ni zat center point no kasung principal focus ni no tabu object no sung jefru c wo tono afru object ni je ray of light bo straight thango incident ray straight thangle mirror no hit khaimani pore bo mirror sung kai to bo to reflect khaini no but kaisa rule tongo jorino incident ray o je line no sung principal axis ni no o principal axis ni parallel zonin bo thangka khake bo reflect ngai anyhow principal focus ti parunai so no nukhna jawa incident ray of light thangka thudai kha tai bo principal focus ti parung thangka tabu next ray of light bo obliquely phainai object ni phainai bo byangti lainai bini nearest point sini pore f klayu ambo bo f ti lainai amo ang students batch 1 student already bujukjang borok bujine ko ang tam saitong so principal focus ti laimani pore bo jefro mirror no hit khayo to mirror no se hit khayo kang bo reflect na to kok no byang digi reflect nai bo again rule ni mota ti kaisa rule tongo a rule suno sawo je jodi no kuno incident re principal focus ti parung khanga ke mirror no hit khemani pore bo principal axis ni parallel no thangnai enka a parallel thangka bo omo reflected te parallel thangka okay so mo reflected te bo obliquely thangka heki borok nei thutai lekhe o point to ang ong bo saja je jaga reflected ray of light dok thutayo a jaga no image form ngu ta exactly o jaga o thutai ma ba o jan chimi ang image no inverted draw ma khainai tamni bagai amo again norok saimono tamni bagai because o jaga image form ma to real image ta real image sob somoy no inverted ngu so real image no ang inverted draw khaina thaka bokhrok yango yakung yangong nai 응트니 따몽카 어제 image exactly 시원어 폼고 만원어로 부지크나 object 나 조리노 시원던 한가게 미니 image exactly 시원어 폼 나이 때어 object 너 sorry 어 image 너 성무로 나이 a dash b dash 네 object 너 몽성나르카 a b image 니 몽나르카 a dash b dash 나이니 디어 자가와 object ni size by image ni size exactly equal amni pore sungnuga no object siwo image bo siwo no form go amni pore sungnuga je sini image bo inverted form go manano image real image nga sungtak mono sungsini khatawo sung draw khine no we will try it here amni bagai sungnango kaisa scale compass and pencil te kaisa circle sung draw khina nangnai so circle draw khina bagai ang tam khakia ang roughly radius 5 cm nakha circle sung ka to bini radius to tongnai amni pura ang tam khakia kaisa circle ang tam draw khinai okay I hope visible no Ampur bini center nang mark khainai on bini center o center nang C ni hna o center no sung mirror ni ki song ha ke center of curvature ni hno tabuk o center o je circle no hoito no sung sini je spherical mirror no sung srana je concave mirror no amni bagi sung tam khani bini diameter rigina di diameter rozan simi start ngai asuk jora omno kise extend khetlang thangdi o point no sung nai pole gataw ani o je sini simi je p omo sini radius kalai kha o radius ni zat kasar omo o radius ni length sung nai thangka 5 cm be zat kasar kha to 2.5 cm kha somewhere here omo kha sini ungkha principal focus amni pore sungtam khani sungsini o circle no hoito sini mirror no slamnai sung ordek rakhir nebo no ojara nai o point nang x nai o point nang y nai taw tam khani ang o part nang khibir nai o part no simang narak nai because ani omo concave mirror ni bagi angkai sung omo no taw huikhirwana rubber bai angkai sung oja huikhir kha hui nai tabu yang digini je tomo concave mirror ba yang digini je surface amo sini polished surface eba silvered surface ni hunjago tai sini yang ni surface ngka reflecting surface tabuk ang ani object no ang jehetu sini topic se when object is at C eba center of curvature amo hunga saba ang object no tabuk ani center of curvature draw khayana so here is my object here center of curvature munang mungduana A B ne tau thasini rule ni motor tui first ray of light bo parallel thanai to principal axis mirror no hit khema pore rule ni motor tui bo principal focus tui line okay next ray of light bo obliquely principal focus tui line tai normal phungjak rule ni motor tui bo parallel to principal axis bo reflect khai thangnai taw ani reflected ray ro o jaga hit ngai ba intersect khai ke ambage o jaga ni image form go A dash B dash but no nukhna since the previous the diagram amo be kichapano ano diagram mililia tani bagai because jefrang object no ang siwo tono an image bo siwo no form go amti tonglia tamo problem mak like what is the problem here the problem hake real life po spherical mirror no sung asu kotoma naya spherical mirror from the omo kaisa pura sphere ni sung certain segments sung nao tai kaisa ko object jibono phano asu kotor ingya mirror ni biskango object no sung roughly chikon khenao principal axis ni belai gana khe amdike jorin khaikang ha ke sino diagram sawi thanai so sung nainelian tau so again ang circle draw khanya bagi ang 5 cm ni radius na nai radius na yang kaisa circle draw khani amprang bini center no mark khani bini center amprang kaisa straight line ang draw khani straight line bini diameter but bonang kisa extend khiri ro kha khai ong bini principal axis nkha upon ke bini pole principal axis ta omo to radius c ni simi p to radius but the center point bini the radius ni zat kazar point busak bosa 5 cm khna khai to bini order khna khai to 2.5 cm ong kha bini principal focus nkha tabuk sung sini je mirror o je circle ne hoje sini je spherical mirror no salamne amno sung sphere ni babi nai o sphere ne hoje sini je spherical mirror no je salamna ni amo sung full pura ordek no naya hoi just a small portion no nai maybe from here till here no x no y ni no onka bini silvered surface the u je portion ka sung kibir ne amo sung nangia tangai sung asuk small area na khasini je pura sphere na asuk small part sung tamuina because real life of jefro sung spherical mirror no jefro sung slamo apro pura sphere korma sphere ni sung just certain part no se sung nawi sung mirror slamo sini school of spherical mirror ka sa theba jak tabu gate ganawo a spherical mirror no sung convex mirror ni no a convex mirror no no kang khel khani di bo a larger sphere ni just smaller parts of bo no nai ni khan no buji than tabuk sini je o x to y om sini sini mirror tabuk jehetu thasingni case the object is at c so ang object nang c u draw khayan I will roughly make the object only 1 centimeter tall bona mundu na a b nai o case ni bagai sung kisa object no sung small draw ma khini om kisa center of layang thangka just 1 minute okay am bona erase khini je tikar kha tabuk rule ni motate sini je first ray of light bo parallel thanai bo mirror no hit khani batch 1 student of bujine ang tam saitum batch 2 nang je fru khna phurungana afun no bujinai rule ni motate bo tamana kle bo reflect na kle reflect ngai bo principal focus te parang thana klai next ray of light bo obliquely phainai obliquely bo principal focus te lainai te mirror no hit khema pore bo parallel to principal axis bo parang thangnai tabuk o reflected ray of light drop o jaga intersect khayo o jan simisini je image inverted form nai amno samurunai a dash b dash no nai ni ji sini je object je jagawa bo jagawa c a jaga na sini image bo form kha but inverted so sini o jagawo tegisa khelkhani ji object ni size be sini je image ni size exactly same that means the size of the image is equal to the size of the object tegisa ko object co image bo co no form so position of image is at c and take a point image real tambage because image inverted in nature so om hake sung sini diagram no draw hake sung exactly object co hake image no sung co no mannai thank you